We hope you'll join us for our UV resin pen class, Floating Fantasy. This one's going to be a lot of fun. Let's see what's in the kit. Skim Coat UV resin, Glimmer Cure Pearl UV resin, some snow globe solution to fill your pens, 2 dowel rods to hold your pens under the lamp, dowel rod adapters, and 2 clips to hold up your dowel rods, finger cots for protection, and a stand to hold your snow globe pens. So these are the DTFs that we're going to be using, and they're going to be a lot of fun. We even did backgrounds for the snow globe pens, so you're going to learn how to do that. We have pen wraps and a pencil wrap, a burnishing tool to help with DTF application, a pipette to help fill the snow globes, along with a small glitter spoon. We have a pen wrap roller to help with that, and then we also have 4 different glitters that we'll be using, one to glitter your pen and others will be inclusions. These are the fun 3D inclusions we'll be using in our snow globe pens, along with some moss. And then we have a pencil that we'll be making, a pen that we'll be making, and then we have 4 snow globe pens. This one is going to be so much fun. I hope that you guys will consider joining us. Again, it is Thursday, June 4th at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. See you there.